Hello, today I'll be showing you how to use the Runtime Tester library in Eclipse. Here I'm opening Eclipse. I have the 2019 version, but which version you have doesn't matter. I'm going to launch that. Then I'm going to download my library. I'm just going to download that from the GitHub. The link is in the description. I'm going to go to the releases page, and I'm going to download the release from my operating system. I'm using Windows today. Linux and Mac versions are also available. So here in Eclipse, I'm going to import it to a tutorial, or not a tutorial, I mean a project. They're all tutorials here because that's the only thing I use Eclipse for. But I'm going to import it into an Eclipse project. I'm going to select tutorial 7 because, like, why not? It's a tutorial. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go to Build Path in the right-click menu. Somewhere here, Build Path. I'm going to say Configure Build Path. Under Configure Build Path, I'm going to say Libraries. And then I'm going to say Class Path. I'm going to say Add External Jars. Then here, I'm going to navigate to my desktop. I'm going to get the Runtime Tester from my operating system. I'm going to click Apply and Close. And now this one has this library in the class path. You can see it there. So if I go into my source, let's just go to my main method somewhere. I'm going to create a new class for that. I'm going to call it my class. And I'm going to import the library. So to import the library, I'm just going to say, that should be package. Import runtime tester dot star. The star means I'm importing everything from runtime tester. Then in my class, I can create a main method as usual: public static void main string args. And in here, I can say visualizer dot launch. And then I can say my class, which is the class I'm in, dot class. Now the reason we specify the dot class file is it needs to have a class that it's launching based on to get methods from. It has some demo methods built in, so if you launch without that class specified, that's what it'll do. But if you want to add your own methods, you have to do it with the myClass.class or whatever class name you want as the argument. You don't have to have the same class name in your as your main is in. You can put any class in here. It doesn't matter. It's all static. So now if I run this, it'll open the window and we'll have our tester ready. In honor of Eclipse, I'll make it into a light theme. And then you can see here we've got all of our graphs and we've got all of our methods we can plot. And it's simple as that.